Liverpool is a city and metropolitan district in Merseyside, England. Liverpool is located on the east bank of the River Mersey estuary in northwestern England. Liverpool is built in a low hilly area, with the 70-metre-high Everton Hill area being the highest area. Liverpool's urban area extends to Bootle and Crosby in the Sefton area to the north and to the Hyden and Prescott areas in the Knowsley area to the east. Liverpool faces Wallasey and Birkenhead across the River Mersey to the west. Liverpool city centre is located approximately 8 kilometres from Liverpool Bay in the Irish Sea. The Beatles' story is indeed a must-visit attraction in Liverpool for any fan of the legendary rock band, the Beatles. This museum offers an immersive experience that allows visitors to delve into the fascinating history and legacy of the Fab Four. Here are some key highlights of the Beatles' story. Memorabilia. The museum houses a remarkable collection of Beatles memorabilia, including instruments, costumes, personal belongings, and other items related to the band members. Multimedia exhibits. Visitors can explore multimedia exhibits that include audio-visual presentations, interviews, and recordings, providing a comprehensive look at the band's journey from their early days in Liverpool to their global stardom. Replica of the Cavern Club. One of the standout features of the museum is the faithful replica of the Cavern Club, the iconic Liverpool venue where the Beatles performed extensively in the early 1960s. Stepping into the replica Cavern Club allows you to experience the atmosphere of the place where the band's career took off. Interactive displays. The museum also incorporates interactive displays that engage visitors of all ages, making the history of the Beatles come alive. Special exhibitions. The Beatles' story often hosts special exhibitions and events related to the band, allowing visitors to explore different aspects of their history and impact on music and culture. 2. Albert Dock is a historic and iconic waterfront area in Liverpool that offers a diverse range of attractions, making it a must-visit destination in the city. Here are some key features and attractions you can explore at Albert Dock. Tate Liverpool. Tate Liverpool is one of the 4 Tate galleries in the UK and is dedicated to modern and contemporary art. It features a wide range of temporary exhibitions and a valuable collection of modern artworks. Merseyside Maritime Museum. This museum provides insights into Liverpool's maritime heritage, exploring the city's role in the transatlantic slave trade, as well as its connections to the Titanic and other significant historical events. It's an excellent place to learn about the city's maritime history. Restaurants and cafes. Albert Dock offers a variety of dining options, from casual cafes to upscale restaurants. You can enjoy a meal or a drink while taking in the scenic waterfront views. Shops and boutiques. The area is also home to numerous shops and boutiques, offering a selection of unique gifts, art, and souvenirs. Events and entertainment. Throughout the year, Albert Dock hosts various events, including cultural festivals, music performances, and family-friendly activities. Waterfront views. The dock itself is a beautiful setting with historic buildings, picturesque boats, and stunning waterfront views. It's an excellent spot for a leisurely stroll or to simply enjoy the atmosphere. Historic architecture. The architecture in Albert Dock is a blend of historic and modern designs, and the area has been beautifully restored, making it a prime example of waterfront regeneration. 3. Anfield Stadium is a world-famous football stadium in the home of Liverpool Football Club, one of the most storied and successful football clubs in the world. For football enthusiasts, taking a stadium tour or attending a match at Anfield is indeed a must-do experience. Here's why Anfield is a must-visit for any football fan. Stadium tours. Anfield offers guided stadium tours that allow visitors to explore the iconic venue, providing a behind-the-scenes look at the history and heritage of Liverpool FC. You can visit the players' dressing rooms, walk through the tunnel, and even touch the famous "This is Anfield" sign before stepping out onto the pitch. The atmosphere. Attending a Liverpool FC match at Anfield is an unforgettable experience. The passionate and electric atmosphere created by the club's fans, known as the COMMENT, is legendary. The singing, chanting, and support for the team make for an incredible matchday experience. The history. Anfield has a rich history, and the stadium itself is a testament to the club's storied past. The Shankly Gates. the Hillsborough Memorial, and the various stands named after club legends all pay homage to Liverpool FC's heritage. The museum. Inside Anfield, you'll find the Liverpool FC Museum, where you can delve into the history of the club, view memorabilia and trophies, and learn about the great players and managers who have contributed to the club's success. The Trophy Room. Liverpool FC has an impressive collection of trophies, including league titles and European Cups. You can see these historic trophies on display in the stadium. The fan experience. The Anfield area is filled with bars, restaurants, and fan-focused establishments, where you can soak in the pre-match and post-match atmosphere, often with live music and entertainment. The Anfield Wrap. The famous podcast and fan media outlet, The Anfield Wrap, often conducts live shows and discussions in and around Anfield. It's a great way to engage with fellow fans and hear in-depth analysis of the club. 4. Liverpool Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral Church of Christ in Liverpool, is an architectural masterpiece and a remarkable place to visit in the city. Here's why you should include a visit to Liverpool Cathedral in your plans. Architectural marvel. Liverpool Cathedral is one of the most stunning examples of 20th-century British architecture. It is renowned for its Gothic Revival design, featuring magnificent stained glass windows, intricate stonework, and a grand interior that showcases the craftsmanship of the era. Sheer size. This cathedral is one of the largest religious buildings in the world. Its vast interior is both awe-inspiring and tranquil, providing a sense of space and serenity that is perfect for reflection and admiration. From there, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the River Mersey. It's an excellent vantage point for capturing memorable photographs of Liverpool. Peaceful ambience. The cathedral offers a peaceful and contemplative atmosphere. Whether you are interested in religious services, quiet reflection, or simply admiring the architecture, it's a serene place to escape the bustle of the city. Art and stained glass. The cathedral is adorned with beautiful stained glass windows, including the famous West Window, which is one of the largest stained glass windows in the world. The interior also houses impressive works of art, making it a cultural and artistic destination. 5. The Walker Art Gallery is one of Liverpool's premier cultural institutions and is a must-visit destination for art lovers and enthusiasts. Here's why you should consider a visit to the Walker Art Gallery. Diverse art collection. The gallery boasts a diverse and extensive collection of art, spanning various periods and styles. You can explore artworks from the 13th century to the present day, showcasing European and British art. Renowned artists. The gallery houses works by celebrated artists, including David Hockney, J.M.W. Turner, and Thomas Gainsborough, among others. You can view masterpieces and iconic pieces by these artists up close. Pre-Raphaelite collection. The Walker Art Gallery is known for its exceptional collection of Pre-Raphaelite art, featuring works by famous artists such as Dante Gabriel Rossetti, John Everett Millais, and William Holman Hunt. Special exhibitions. In addition to its permanent collection, the gallery hosts temporary exhibitions that provide fresh perspectives on art and culture. These exhibitions often feature contemporary and modern art. Free admission. The gallery is open to the public and offers free admission, making it accessible to a wide range of visitors. Historic architecture. The Walker Art Gallery is housed in a beautiful historic building, which adds to the overall experience. The stunning architectural features create an inspiring backdrop for the art on display. Educational programs. The gallery offers educational programs and activities for visitors of all ages, including workshops, tours, and events designed to enhance your understanding and appreciation of art. 6. The Merseyside Maritime Museum is a fascinating cultural institution located in Liverpool's historic Albert Dock area. It provides an in-depth exploration of the city's rich maritime heritage and its crucial role in various aspects of global maritime history. Here are some compelling reasons to visit the Merseyside Maritime Museum. Liverpool's maritime history. The museum offers an extensive overview of Liverpool's maritime past, highlighting its significance as a major port city. You can learn about Liverpool's history as a thriving maritime hub and its connections to trade, shipping, and exploration. Titanic and Lusitania. The museum covers two of the most famous maritime disasters in history, The sinking of the Titanic and the Lusitania. It features artifacts, documents, and interactive displays related to these events. Shipping and trade. Learn about Liverpool's role as a major port, its shipping industry, and the goods that were transported through the city's docks. Location. Situated in the historic Albert Dock area, the museum is part of a vibrant waterfront district that includes other attractions, shops, restaurants, and stunning waterfront views. 7. Royal Albert Dock is a bustling waterfront area in Liverpool that's teeming with life and activity. It's a fantastic destination for a leisurely stroll, dining, shopping, and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Here are some of the reasons why you should visit Royal Albert Dock in Liverpool. Dining and bars. The dock is home to a variety of restaurants and bars, offering diverse cuisines, from British and Italian to Indian and seafood. You can savor delicious meals, enjoy a coffee, or indulge in a drink while overlooking the scenic waterfront. Shopping. Explore a wide range of shops and boutiques, where you can find unique gifts, fashion, artwork, and souvenirs. It's an excellent place for shopping and discovering distinctive items. Cultural venues. The dock is host to several cultural attractions, including Tate Liverpool, Merseyside Maritime Museum, and the Beatles Story, making it a cultural hub where you can engage with art, history, and music. Events and festivals. Throughout the year, Royal Albert Dock hosts various events and festivals, such as art exhibitions, food festivals, live music performances, and more. These events add to the vibrancy of the area. Scenic views. The dock provides stunning waterfront views, and you can enjoy these views while strolling along the promenade or relaxing in one of the many outdoor seating areas. Family-friendly. Royal Albert Dock is a family-friendly destination, with attractions and activities suitable for visitors of all ages. It's a great place to spend time with loved ones. Accessibility. The dock is easily accessible by foot from the city center and is well connected by public transportation, making it a convenient destination for tourists and locals alike. 8. The Cavern Club is an iconic and historic music venue located in Liverpool, England. It is renowned for its pivotal role in the early career of the Beatles and is a must-visit destination for music enthusiasts and Beatles fans. Here's why the Cavern Club is a legendary place to experience. The Beatles connection. The Cavern Club is indelibly linked with the Beatles, as they performed on its stage over 290 times between 1961 and 1963. This is where the band honed their skills, built their local fan base, and gained crucial exposure before their meteoric rise to global stardom. Live music. The Cavern Club continues to host live music performances, featuring a variety of bands and artists from different genres. You can enjoy live music in an intimate and historic setting, making it a unique and memorable experience. Historical significance. The club's historical significance is palpable, and visiting is like taking a step back in time to the early days of rock and roll. You can imagine the excitement and energy that once filled the venue during the Beatles' performances. Pilgrimage site. The Cavern Club is a pilgrimage site for Beatles fans from around the world. Visitors often leave messages, graffiti, and memorabilia on the club's walls as a way to pay homage to the band. Beatles memorabilia. The club also features a collection of Beatles memorabilia, including photographs and artifacts from their time performing there. Merseybeat and beyond. While the Beatles are the most famous band associated with the Cavern Club, it was also a hub for the broader Merseybeat music scene, which produced many other successful bands in the 1960s. Atmosphere and character. The club retains its original character and atmosphere, with its arched brick ceilings and dimly lit interiors, creating an authentic and nostalgic ambience. Beatles Festival. The Cavern Club hosts a Beatles Festival, featuring special events, performances, and celebrations of the band's music and legacy. It's a great time to immerse yourself in all things Beatles. 9. St. George's Hall is an iconic and architecturally significant neoclassical building located in the heart of Liverpool, UK. It is a historical gem that not only hosts a variety of events and exhibitions but is also a captivating attraction in its own right. Here are some reasons to visit St. George's Hall. Neoclassical architecture. St. George's Hall is a prime example of neoclassical architecture. Its grand design, with impressive columns, pediments, and classical motifs, showcases the architectural style of the 19th century. The exterior is a masterpiece in itself, offering excellent opportunities for architectural photography. Historical significance: the hall was constructed in the mid-19th century and has played a significant role in Liverpool's history. It was built to host a variety of events and exhibitions, making it a cultural hub for the city. Concerts and events: St. George's Hall continues to be a venue for a wide range of events, including concerts, classical music performances, comedy shows, and lectures. Exhibitions: the hall often hosts exhibitions that cover a wide spectrum of topics, including art, history, and culture. It's an excellent place to engage with the city's vibrant cultural scene. Heritage tours: guided tours are available, allowing you to explore the stunning interior of the building. The Great Hall and the concert room are particularly impressive, featuring intricate detailing, beautiful frescoes, and intricate carvings. Stunning interiors: the interior of St. George's Hall is a visual feast, with its breathtaking architecture and exquisite decorations. The grandeur and attention to detail make it a fantastic place to appreciate art and history. St. George's Plateau: the hall is situated in the midst of St. George's Plateau, a spacious area that's great for picnics, relaxing, and enjoying views of the surrounding historic buildings. Cultural and educational programs: the hall offers a range of cultural and educational programs, making it an engaging destination for visitors interested in history, art, and heritage. 10. Sefton Park is a picturesque Victorian park located in Liverpool, and it's an oasis of natural beauty, offering a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Here are some of the reasons to visit Sefton Park. Scenic beauty: Sefton Park is known for its lush greenery, meandering paths, and beautiful landscapes. It's a serene place to connect with nature, go for a leisurely walk, or simply relax in a tranquil setting. Boating lake: the park features a boating lake where you can rent rowboats and enjoy a peaceful ride on the water. It's a popular activity for visitors, especially during the summer months. Palm House: Sefton Park is home to the Palm House, a stunning glass conservatory that houses a wide variety of exotic plants and flowers. It's a unique and beautiful structure to explore and a popular venue for events and exhibitions. Historic design: the park's Victorian design includes charming features like statues, bridges, and decorative pavilions that add to the park's overall charm. Music and cultural events: Sefton Park hosts a range of cultural events and music festivals, including the Liverpool International Music Festival. These events bring the park to life with music and entertainment. Picnicking and relaxation: the park provides plenty of open green spaces and benches, making it a great place for picnics, reading, or simply basking in the sun. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. Dog-friendly: Sefton Park is dog-friendly, and many people bring their furry companions for a walk in the park. It's a lovely place to enjoy some quality time with your four-legged friends. Children's play area: for families with children, the park offers a play area with swings, slides, and other equipment, making it a suitable destination for a family outing. Running and exercise: the park's pathways are popular among joggers and runners, providing a pleasant environment for outdoor exercise. Cafes and amenities: the park has cafes and amenities nearby, where you can grab a coffee or light meal. It's convenient for visitors looking to spend a day in the park. These are just a few of the many attractions you can explore in Liverpool in 2023. The city has a lot to offer, from its musical heritage to its maritime history and contemporary cultural scene.